Hello students, now let us see the concept of lattice enthalpy in thermodynamics. Okay, wherever it is, if the concept is the same student, lattice enthalpy, it is defined in two ways. That is amount of energy released when the gaseous ion are dissolved in the water, or that is the amount of energy required when you break the 1 mole of lattice. So let us try to understand what we can do for this one. So according to slide student from Narayana Need book, the lattice enthalpy of the ionic compound is the enthalpy change which occurs when 1 mole of ionic compound dissociate into its gaseous ion. So that is, if NaCl 1 mole is there, it is getting dissociate in the ion. That is what the enthalpy required. Enthalpy change is what is known as, student, that is, here is the lattice enthalpy. Okay, so when you are dissociating, student, you need to supply the energy, that is absorption. And another case, what with that, it is impossible to determine the lattice enthalpies directly by experiment. It is determined by the Born-Haber cycle, which is based on Hess law. It is important to determine lattice enthalpies directly by experiment. It is determined by Born-Haber cycle based on the Hess law. So directly you cannot determine the lattice enthalpy without Hess law. What is another definition, student? Lattice enthalpy can be defined as the energy required to convert 1 mole of ionic solid into gaseous ionic constituents. Okay. For example, student, you take the example. I have taken the example from Vaju's side. The crystal lattice of a sodium chloride molecule is illustrated below. So this is the sodium chloride lattice, student. And when you are dissociating in the water, what is giving? In the case of this ionic molecule, the lattice energy is the energy required for the following reaction to proceed. That is, NaCl is giving right Na plus gas and Cl minus gas. Here the energy that must be supplied to 1 mole of the sodium chloride to separate it into the gaseous Na plus and Cl minus ion is 786 kilojoules. Okay. Another point, you see that there is another way. For ionic compound, the lattice enthalpy is the heat energy released. Okay, now the see that is released, they are saying, student. So reverse definition is there. When 1 mole of solid in its saturated state is formed from its ion in the gaseous state. So Na gas is there, Cl gas is there, NaCl solid is formed. So that is, lattice enthalpy cannot be determined directly. Experimental data is used. Enthalpy cycle, that is Hess law, like the data. Enthalpy cycle is based on the formation of the compound from its element in their standard state. So that is the two way we can define. Either you dissociate the solid lattice, or you can do combine with the ions for the formation of the lattice. So that is what is the lattice enthalpy. Thank you so much for watching, friends.